Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Rash, your instructor. So, this video is served for those students who are absent in my class earlier. And the topic we tackle all about is constant, variable, term, algebraic expression. What are these words all about? So, we have here the first one is variable or variables, or symbols or letters that have a known number. So variables is represented with letters and symbols. So any letter of the alphabet will do, and that letter have an unknown value. So for let's say for example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, and so on and forth up to Z. So any letter of the alphabet can be considered as variable or the variables. So next one is we have constant. So constant are numbers that have fixed numbers. When you say fixed, mo na gyud na iyang number. Dili na siya usab sa given. So mao na gyud na siya. So example of a constant is any number since it's number. So pwede siya 1, 2, 3, 4 up to any number. It's limitless or infinity. Another example of a constant that looks like a variable is this one, a e. And that this e is not particularly written as the normal alphabet, small capital letter A. It's slant a bit, and this is the logarithm. So logarithm has a value of 2.71828818. It is continuous in number. So that's why it is considered as constant, not a variable, because logarithm or this e has a value, which is this one, 2.718, so on and forth. Another constant example is the square root, because square root is getting the square root of a number when something is being put here. Okay, it is part of a constant. And another example that doesn't look like a number is the pi. Pi, which has the equivalent of 3.1415, and also it is the number of it is not ending, or it's not in a whole number. There is a lot of number continuous in its decimal point. But let's just focus at 3.14. That is the standard. So again, these are the constant, and constant are numbers. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. The next one is algebraic expression. When we say algebraic expression, is an expression that is made up of one or more terms. Later, we will learn about terms. So we have here 4x, this is one term. And we also have here another example, 2a plus 3b. So in this algebraic expression, we have two terms. Why? We have the here 2a. Oh. Okay, you have the a. We also have the 3b. That is why it composed of two terms. Another example, which is the last one of algebraic expression, is here. 3x squared minus 4xy plus 2y squared. So there are three terms in total. Why? This one, and this one. So algebraic expression is made up of one or more terms. So that is an algebraic expression. There are variables and constant that you can see. Okay, let's move on to term para magets what is really a term. Term is a constant, a variable, or a combination of both and are separated by symbols. It is also part of an algebraic expression. Now here, we say here this is a one term. Let's see the meaning. It can also be a constant, a variable, or a combination of both. So this one term is a combination of both my variable, my constant, and my variable that made that term. We also have here, and also a term is part of an algebraic expression. So we have here, kanina sabi natin that 4x is an algebraic expression. Yes, because algebraic expression is the whole term also. So pwede natin sabihin na this 4x is also be considered as algebraic expression. So have here another example, 2a plus 3b. This is a combination of both and are separated by symbols. And the symbol here is plus. So we have here two terms. This one is plus 3b. Another example is 3x squared minus 4xy plus 2y. So three terms. One term is 3x squared. Another term is negative 4xy. And the next term is plus 2y squared. So for more example, para mas magets, we also have here the term. We have here 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, and 4 term. Teacher, when I say literal coefficient, can it be considered as variable? Yes. So x and x can also be called as variable or literal coefficient because it's letters. See y also be considered as variable or literal coefficient. Same lang yung dalawa na yan. So we have here another example. So si 2 and si 3. Teacher, si 2 and 3 can we also be calling it as constant? Yes. 2 and 3 can also be a constant. But for more particular calls sa ganitong decide together si numerical coefficient. But if you prefer to call it variable or constant, you can do it also. So that's it for earlier class. For those nag-absent, you just watch this video and replay it and replay up until sa mga magats niyo po ang klase. Any question, you can comment down below or chat in RGC. Thank you. Goodbye.